Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change font style in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then go to display here, and go to font size and style. Here, click on font style. By default, font style is set to first option, default font style. Okay, what you see in your phone, that is default font style. Okay, if you want to change to other style, you can select here. This is Samsung 1. Okay, preview is showing here, and if you want to change to another option, yes, you can select here. So font style is changed from default to this selected font style. Okay, see the changes. Go to the home screen and go to settings icon and see the changes now. If you want to use other style, again go to the same settings, display, then go to font size and style. Here click on font style, and here you can download fonts from internet. Click on download fonts, and here free and paid styles are listed here. You can select anything. Okay, if you want to use paid, click on top paid, and here you have to pay some money for downloading this font style. Okay, if you want to use free font style, click on top free. Only two font style are available. Okay, if you want to use them freely, yes, you can download. Click on download button and it will be downloading. Okay, click on install now, and it will ask you to sign into Samsung account. Otherwise, click on later and it will be instantly download and it will be applied. Click on apply and it will be applied. See the changes. Again go to the settings of your phone here and go to display, then go to font size and style. Click on font style, and downloaded font is available now. Samsung Sans font is added now. Okay, if you want to change back to default to font style, click on default and it will be changed to default, changed back to default font style. Okay, so in this way you can easily select, you can easily change, you can easily set any font style for your phone. Okay, according to your wish, you can select from the available options, or you can download freely, or even you can use premium font size by paying some money for downloading those font style. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.